According to media reports, 249 elephants died between 1987 and 2018 in train collisions alone across India. 49 elephants died between 2015 and 2018 within just 3 years. Around 15 in West Bengal and 17 in the neighboring state of Assam.
Prior to 2002, one elephant died every year because of a train accident. But after 2004, something like 15 elephants die every year.
Dr. Raman Sukumar of the prestigious Indian Institute of Science, also an elephant ecologist, has co-authored numerous studies related to elephant deaths on Indian railways.
What happened in 2003 was that this meter gauge line was now converted to a broad gauge line, which also meant that trains could run at higher speeds. The frequency of trains increased along this line.
Meanwhile, this scene is a stark reminder of the perilous lives of elephants. They are hanging out dangerously close to the train tracks. This is one of the most sensitive elephant corridors in West Bengal, located inside the Buxa Tiger Reserve. A speeding train can appear out of nowhere and wipe out these calves in a split second.
It's very obvious that calves are more vulnerable when they're crossing the track, and therefore they are not able to get out of the way of a speeding train.
A large number of bull elephants are also getting killed on the tracks. And peak harvest seasons are deadly.